banks decide to use a back-end ratio or a debt-to-income ratio rather than a front-end ratio. And this takes into account a borrower's regular monthly debt, including car loans, alimony, child support, credit card bills. So it takes into account more than just what you spend on your house. So this couple, Bill and Terry, they're considering buying a house, and they have an adjusted gross income of $166,988. Their monthly mortgage on the house would be $1,544. Their annual property taxes would be $9,888. Their homeowner's insurance would be $1,007 a year. They have $510 in car loans. They have $5,100 in credit card bills per month that they have to take care of. And they want to see if the bank would lend them $210,000 to purchase their home. Now, banks for the back end ratio generally want you to have less than 36%. So unlike the front end ratio of 28%, here we're looking to have less than 36%. So first I have to figure out those total monthly expenses, and some of our expenses aren't given to us monthly. Again, they're given to us annually. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to figure that out, what I'm going to change those to. So I see my mortgage is monthly, that one's okay, but my property tax is annual. So I'm going to divide that one by 12, which will give me a monthly property tax of $824. Same with my HOA insurance, that's paid, or my homeowner's insurance, that's paid monthly. So I'm going to divide that by 12, and that gets me $84. My car loans are monthly, my credit card bills are monthly, so those ones are all good to go. Meaning I'm going to go up and start my formula. For the back end ratio, it's all of these monthly expenses divided by our gross monthly income. Oh, I forgot about the gross pay there. Let's go ahead and change that. So divide that one by 12 as well. And that's going to tell us that the couple gets paid monthly $13,916. So now we can do our formula. So adding up all of our expenses, we have $1,544 for the mortgage, $824 for the property bill, $84 for the homeowner's insurance, $510 for the car loans, and $5,100 for our credit card. And we're going to divide that by our monthly gross income of $13,916. Just like with the front end ratio, when you're doing it in your calculator, make sure that you add everything up, hit enter, and then divide by the 13,000. Or if you're going to do it in the calculator all at once, make sure that the numerator, the top there, all the addition is in parentheses. And when we do our addition, divide by the 13,000, we get 0.579, which is going to give them a back end ratio of 57.9%, which is going to be a big old no from the bank then. That's way too high. Their debt to income ratio is too high. They need to get it lower before the bank will lend them the money.